Hey crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have an unboxing haul video to share with you from Scrapbookcom. So I'm just going to show you my goodies. I haven't actually, believe it or not, placed an order in a minute, so it's been a little while since a haul video, and it's not a ton of stuff, but I will show you what I got here. So use some crinkling plastic sound here in the background while I pull all this out. First of all, I got a few more mint tape because you guys know this is my favorite, and I think it was on sale. Might still be on sale, I'm not sure. I will link everything that I show you in the video description box below, where you can find it. So again, this is the, I think, 1-inch mint tape. This is the Scrapbook brand, and that's my favorite. Okay. Oh, this was actually a freebie. How cool is this? I think this is how they actually enticed me. I wasn't planning on ordering, but when they have those really good freebies, sometimes I just, I can't resist. So get this really cool die set. So layering die. This would be a fun way to use up your colored cardstock or create your own colored cardstock with ink blending, or even like put little elements of pattern paper in there to use up some pattern paper scraps. So like I said, this is a freebie. They may be not having it in stock anymore, but if it's available, I will link it below. So this is Sizzix Lisa Jones 14 dies. So pretty hefty little set there. And these are decent size too, just to give you some perspective on this bloom. I mean, it's a good couple inches across. That's decent size. So I like that because, you know, I don't do the fiddly little dies very much. Oh, this was free too. Forgot about this. Boho Sunshine. I'm a boho sort of girl, so that made me happy. I do, not that I need pattern paper, but again, it was free and it seemed like cute patterns. So let me just struggle with this for an hour while I try and open this up and show you the papers. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Just don't want to rip it. Okay. So, oh, these are cute. Sun, ooh, stay groovy, good vibes. These are cute. I like these. Ooh, I love that rainbow. Well, these would be nice. You could just cut these out and make quick, easy pattern paper sort of cards. Really cute. Nice. Ooh, I like those cactus. Check that out. Super cute. Oh, I like that rainbow one too. Okay, so this is 24 papers, double-sided, 6x8. And again, this was another freebie on my order. Okay, the reason I ordered was this. I wanted this nesting die. I did a shaped card recently. You may have seen it. It was oval shaped, and I wanted to make a card with this because this would stand up really well with the flat edge. And it's just kind of a cool shape, and I don't have this shape of die. So this is Scrapbookcom brand, 12 pieces nested A2 arches. So again, it's meant to fit A2. So it's looks like it's almost exactly about A2 size on that biggest one. So anything, you know, below it will fit within this space. So very cool. Okay, a few more things here. This one, similar sort of shape, but it's got kind of a different design. So again, I could use these just to kind of create a panel to go on the front of a card or make another shape card. This one is paper rose. So, and this just has 4. So not quite as many, obviously, as this, but same sort of idea. Okay, and along the nested line, I got these hexagons. Again, I don't think I have. Isn't that terrible? I know I don't have anything nested in this shape, but hexagon, cool for, you know, geometric sort of designs. Again, you could really just kind of cut into some pattern paper, maybe even some of this new pattern paper I just got, and create some fun cards. So these are, the biggest ones are obviously quite large. You'd want to get into the smaller size ones to be able to fit it all on an A2 size if that's what you're going for. Otherwise, you know, just even kicking it off over part of the card will look cool too. So again, just kind of a cool staple to have in my crafty stash. Okay, I have one more die here. This one sure doesn't surprise you. Just say more dies. This one went out of stock for a minute, and then always click the little button to be notified if you're ever interested in something at Scrapbook or at Simon Says Stamp, anything. You just kind of let them know that you're interested, and it just kind of helps the process along. And I really love it at Scrapbook. They're so good at, you know, sending you a notification when something becomes available. So I wanted this. It says big hugs, hi, take care, and celebrate you. So these are just kind of fun, imposing die cuts, which you guys know I love to use with all the different backgrounds that I create. And these do have the shadow layer, I believe. Yes, they do. They have the shadow layer. So also another really nice feature. It adds to the versatility, and then you have these cool heart dies as well. So this is just Say More dies. Oh, here's what they look like. So celebrate you, big hugs, hi, and take care. So really cool die set. I'm excited about that. And then my final item, final two items. This one was on clearance. This is Modern Wishes, all to new Modern Wishes. This is a faux letterpress debossing folder. So it's got this cool best wishes. I believe it presses it into it. So it's a little bit, it feels thinner, obviously, than the 3D, but this was on clearance. And I thought, well, that's kind of fun, just to kind of build in a sentiment right into your design. So again, regular 6x6 size, but I don't think it's 3D because it's debossing and it's a little bit thinner. You can compare it here in width. I don't know if you can see that, but I got this. This is 3D. This is Lotus Frame 3D. And look at that. How cool is that? So this is, I don't know, this reminds me of like 20s, 1920s or something. This is so cool. So I'm excited to play with these and all my other goodies. But that's it for this haul. I got some fun nested dies, some floral dies and word dies and all that jazz. So I'm excited to play with it. So yeah, watch for future videos where I dive in and play with these new goodies. So thanks for spending time with me today. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.